In 10 years, I've helped build over 150 medical devices. Some succeeded, many failed. And through Techstars and working with countless startups, I've seen the same expensive mistakes happen over and over and over. I run Ova Solutions. We take medical devices from idea to market. And today, I'm going to save you millions of dollars in 5 minutes. Here's something nobody tells you about building medical devices. Your plans are probably wrong. Most of them. But I'll show you how to fix them. So let's start with what actually sells medical devices. It's not better technology. It's not cooler features, but cold, hard numbers. So when you pitch a medical device, nobody cares if it's better. They care about specifics. This device cuts recovery time by 30%. Or patients get out of the hospital 2 days faster. Doctors can complete the procedure in half the time. That's what hospitals buy. That's what insurance companies pay for. And that's what gets you funded. Next up, money. Everyone lies about money in medical devices. So here's the truth. You need way more than you think. Last week, someone came to me with $2 million budget. Well, reality check, they needed $5 million. So here is new math formula. Take your budget, double it, and add another 50%. So that's probably your real number. Not because I say so, because that's what it costs to get through the FDA, run clinical trials, set up manufacturing, build quality systems, monitor your device after launch. And now let's talk about timeline for all this. Probably not what you dreamed up, not what you pitched to investors. The real numbers. Here's what actually happens based on hundreds of projects at Ova Solutions. So initial development would take 18 months, just building your device, testing, breaking, rebuilding. Then we go to design freeze. It's approximately 1 year, 12 months, locking down every single detail. So no more changes. Then goes verification. It takes approximately 9 months, proving everything works exactly like you said it would. Regulatory, 18 months. Doesn't matter. FDA, CE mark, you need documentation, more documentation, iterations. Manufacturing, 12 months. Setting up production that won't fail, quality audits. So, not counting parallel processes, you're looking at 6 to 9 months minimum. And for class 3 devices, add another 24 months for clinical trials. Well, that's probably not what you wanted to hear. Too bad, this is a reality. And these numbers I'm telling you now, they are from successful projects, the one that actually made it after all. While the ones that didn't, well, they're still trying to figure out why they're 18 months plan turned into never-ending nightmare. Here's the part nobody talks about. You need an army, not just engineers, not just doctors. You need regulatory experts, so these people know how to talk to the FDA. Without them, if you're a first-time founder, you're probably dead in the water. Quality specialists. They make sure your device doesn't kill anyone. Kinda important. Hold on, there is more. So you need manufacturing partners, someone who builds your device. Supply chain people who get you parts and components. Clinical trial sites, someone who will test your device. Hospital buyers who will actually pay for it. Service techs who will fix the device when it breaks, when it's already in use. And if you miss any of these people, just add another 6 months to your pipeline per person. Let me tell you a secret about medical devices. the best technology doesn't always win. The best planned technology wins. I watched brilliant doctors and engineers fail because they didn't know this stuff. They had amazing ideas, revolutionary technology, but they planned for a fantasy ideal world there. FDA approves things quickly, manufacturing just works, hospitals buy anything that's better, and I don't know, money grows on the trees. Well, that world doesn't exist. And here's what does exist: the world where every claim needs a proof, where every step needs documentation, where every person needs training to use your innovation, where every device needs monitoring. But here's the good news, no problem. If you plan for this reality, you can win. So I've seen devices succeed. This is happening. The ones that make it follow this specific playbook I'm about to share. So they start with real numbers, not dreams. And they budget for disaster, not for the best case. They hire experts before they need them. And they plan for years, not for months. The medical device industry needs new technology. It needs innovation. But more than that, it needs innovators who understand reality. You can build amazing medical devices. You can change healthcare. You can help millions of patients, but only if you start with the truth. I'm sorry for this video. Anyways, I'm Voronkova, and I help people build medical devices that actually make it to market. Follow me for more straight talk about MedTech technology. I try not to sugarcoat, not make up some fantasies, just trying to share what works. Subscribe.